Hello everyone, today I have a review of another French Laguiole knife from the Iforge company. Leaflets in French and English languages. Total length is 22 centimeters, blade length is 10 centimeters, blade thickness is 3 millimeters. The steel of the blade is Sandvik 12C27. It is a Swedish stainless steel with very little impurities, tempered between 56 to 57 HRC. Full flat grind, high gloss finish. On the blade you can see a logo depicting a bee. The inscription Laguiole, the name of the company, Iforge. The stamped name of the steel, 12C27, and the inscription France. Opening with the nail nick. The handle scales are made of blonde horn, brass ferrules. The whole thing is rifted. Slip joint, stainless steel decorated spring, very nice pattern. In summary, an immortal classic, I would say an icon of French knife craftsmanship. This time a version without the corkscrew. I like this type of knife, especially since it is handcrafted and made by a European manufacturer. The knife is available in 3 sizes. I chose the largest one. Strong spring. You have to put some force to open it, which the manufacturer honestly informs about on its website. Solid knife, impeccable workmanship. Everything is nicely bolted, nothing sticks out. I also recommend buying a leather sheath to complete the set. Elegant, perfect for a gift and for everyday carry. That's all this review, thanks for watching.